I thought I had the best medical coverage that a person could possibly have. It talked about covering you for your, hospital visits, if anything catastrophic happened for you and your child. I had the gold family plan. But there came a time once when I was cleaning my garage one weekend, and I must have overexerted myself, probably didn't drink enough water, and I fainted. So I found myself in the hospital for 3 days, and they ran all kinds of tests. They thought I had a stroke. There was never any evidence that I'd had a stroke, but I was treated as if I had had a stroke. But once it was over, my insurance company didn't cover me. So even though I had paid the highest possible premium I could, $600 a month for that coverage, it didn't cover my hospital stay. So naturally, when I found out that they weren't going to pay my hospital bill, I became furious. I felt very frustrated because I felt that the insurance company owed the bill. So I disputed it for a long time, and then it finally just showed up on my credit report, so then there's no more disputing. So I've got this big blemish on my credit, and I have to figure out how to get that resolved. I shudder to think that the insurance company can stand in the middle between a person who is paying for care and a person who needs care. So the insurance company gets in the middle, they make all the money, they get all the dividends, and they don't pay what they're supposed to. If you've been profiting by providing the type of service that I got, if you're an insurance company that operated the way the insurance company did, that got my $600 a month, I could see why you wouldn't want things to change. And if you're a big drug company that is making tons of money and tons of dividends by ripping people off, I could see why you would, get these people scared up and make everybody fearful and scared. If one of these people would stand up and make a legitimate situation, tell us a legitimate story, let us know how healthcare reform is going to negatively impact their life situation, then you could have that conversation with them. But there's no conversation, it's just outbursts and outcries of rhetoric.